Good evening, everyone. So today I am going to talk about a very important topic, that is fear. And I'm sure that you all would have experienced at least once in your lifetime. Why I'm sharing this particular topic? Because this doesn't allow you to live your life to the fullest. And I have actually experienced this in my life for decades. So I was actually suffering from acidity, chronic acidity since ages, and whenever I went to doctors, they always suggested me to go for endoscopy. And whenever they said this particular word to go for an endoscopy, I was sit scared. And for this, just to escape this particular situation, I used to roam around to different doctors. I have visited so many doctors, thinking that someone will say that okay, you don't have to go for endoscopy. But then I realized one thing, that I don't have any escape, and I have to go through this. Then I decided one day that let me go for endoscopy and let me see what will happen to me. So the report came and everything was fine, right? One thing I learned from this particular episode, and which I wanted to share with all of you, is fear is something which will go only when we face it. And this situation comes only when we feel that we don't have any other options left. So when you are in a situation wherein you are fearful but you don't have any options left, you will be left with only one thing, that is to embrace it. And that is what I have faced. Say for an example, you are traveling in a flight and there was a turbulence, right? So because of the turbulence, you're feeling very fearful from inside. You wanted to, just come out of that particular situation. But what you will do at that point of time? You will embrace that situation and you will just keep quiet. Because you don't have an option to run out of the flight. You cannot jump out of the flight. So we have only one option, that just keep quiet and, pray to God. So the important point which I wanted to touch over here is fear can be dealt very easily when we face it at all, right? That's the only option. I'll share with you one story. So there was one guy who was coming at night from a far off jungle, and suddenly he slipped, and then he was about to drown down into the valley. And he just got that branch of tree, and he just holded it very tightly, and he was just shouting at his peak that someone can come and help me. But no one was there. He was so scared, right? Throughout the night his complete body was completely cold, and he wanted to want someone should come and help him, but he no one came on that day. So whole night he was just hanging to that one branch of tree, and he was literally very fearful. And when he had seen the dawn, and what he found, that his legs were just 1 inch above the ground. So actually he was hanging to one place which is very nearer to the ground, like only 1 inch from the ground. But because he was not able to see that clearly, he was feeling very scared, right? As if he will pass out. So very important point which I can learn, which we all can learn from this particular incident, is that fear, if I see deep in the eyes of fear, I will find a solution there, right? So friends, let's live our life in this 2021 without fear at all, because fear will never allow us to live our life to the fullest, right? So please, let's challenge this year, and report to everyone that I am fearless. Always tell to yourself that I am fearless, right? Thank you so much. Happy listening, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment and share with all of your friends. Thank you so much.